Hello there! The engines are very glad you're here. They have a super special job for you. A working engine is a happy engine. What's that? It's a golden gear. Extend your tracks so that Thomas can pick up the golden gear for... The green shelf is where the basic tracks are stored. Good work! You found a golden gear. Do you see the surprise bag up there at the top of the screen? If you collect all the golden gears, you'll be able to open it. Oh, another golden gear has appeared. Don't forget to send an engine to pick it up. That looks great! One last gear will get you a surprise. With each golden gear, you get closer to a surprise. And who doesn't love surprises? The best tracks are the ones that run in a loop. Good work! Tap on the surprise. You earned a new mini, Spooky Thomas. Spooky Thomas. A railway needs more than tracks. Here you will find bridges, tunnels, obstacles, and lots of other fun things. Splendid! You're a most useful engineer. Wonderful! Like Thomas would say, bust my buffers. That is splendid work. Here in the orange shelf, you'll find lots of super decorations for your train set. Good work! Splendid! That looks great! You're a natural builder. Did you know you can add water? Simply choose a terrain by tapping on it. Then you can paint your train set directly with your finger. You're a most useful engineer. That looks great! Wonderful! Your train set is now useful, fun and pretty. Let's see if it's as exciting to ride as it is to look at. Riding around with the engines is the most exciting part. Tap on the round button with Thomas's face on it to climb up all aboard. Once you've done enough driving, you can tap on the back button in the top corner of the screen.